Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 and today I'll show you how we can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with the setup page where you only have the arrow to choose from, really. And then you want to select the language and region. I'll be selecting English Poland as this is literally the best option that could exist right here. And anyway, next we have set up using another device. So if you have a older phone, you can probably see that right now on that phone you get a pop-up like this one right here. So we can obviously set it up, move over the data from the old device to this one. I'm going to be skipping this and setting it up as a new device without transferring over. From here we have the Wi-Fi connection page, which you do have the option to skip and set it up offline. When you do, it gives you a pop-up that you won't be able to sign into Google account, restore apps and data, get software updates, and have the date set automatically. I continue. Here's the date. Next we can select a PIN. PIN is 4 to 6 digit, but you can also change it right here to pattern or password. Just set one up. And next it prompts us if we want to also add a fingerprint to it. You can if you want to, same as face unlock. Next we have Google services like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn those off, but let's be honest, it's Google, so I wouldn't really bet on them not following those. Anyway, moving on. We have limited warranty. Get peace of mind, there's nothing here to actually do, so just select next. Swipe to navigate. This is our gesture navigation. You can try it or skip it. Both cases, it just sets it as navigation method. So if you want to change it, you can click right here, System Navigation Settings, and change it to buttons. But otherwise, you can swipe up to go to your home screen. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.